Good morning students. Yesterday we were studying about the question answers of exercise lesson number 22, a team of workers. Our second question was we have to find out rhyming words from the lesson. We have done that. Question number 3 was we have to write down rhyming words of our own. Correct. For example, we studied yesterday mouth, south. Fourth question which we studied was about the body parts. Correct. We have to arrange body parts in correct alphabetical order. After arranging those words in correct alphabetical order, we have to write down what work is done by that body parts. For example, hands. What do hands do? Hands lift, hand push, hand pull. Correct. They can carry things. More. What are the works of hands? Many more works were told to you. It can hold something. So like that we completed question number 4. Now we were studying question number 5. From question number 5 we have studied till go home when someone at home calls. Okay, go home when someone at home calls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one, go home when someone calls. At that time, which body parts do we use? We use legs, eyes. Which body parts do we use? Legs and eyes. Okay. After that, sixth sentence is climb a ladder. When we climb a ladder, at that time, which body parts do we use more? Climb a ladder. When we climb a ladder, at that time we use more use of hands and legs, even eyes, because if you will not see, you will not able to climb on the ladder. Your hands will not go automatically on ladder. Okay. Next one, choose and pick up a ripe mango from a box of mangoes. Choose and pick ripe mango from a box of mangoes. When we have to pick up mangoes from a box of mangoes, that time we need our fingers. Correct. We need fingers, eyes. Fingers, eyes. Next one, make a phone call. To make a phone call, we need make a phone call. To make a phone call, we need ears, eyes and fingers. Okay. Next, take a bath. When we have to take a bath, at that time we need hands. Take a bath, hands, eyes. And last one, switch off lights and fans. To switch off lights and fans, first we need legs, fingers and eyes. Okay. In this way we have completed question number 5. After that, question number 6, main question number 6, first one, we have to complete sentences. What we have to do? We have to complete sentences. Now we have first one is given, lift a heavy bag. What is given? First one, lift a heavy bag. Now we will do second. We will go like this. Lift a heavy bag. This is what we have completed, lift, L-I-F-T, lift. This is remaining sentence. Now second, hold If you want to hold something tightly, what do you say? Hold on tight or hold it tight. Hold it tightly or hold it tight. Okay. Third one, carry. You can write down anything. Carry your bag, carry your clothes. You can write down anything. Carry your bag. Fourth one, put. Now put, you have to complete sentence. Put toys in the basket. Put toys in the basket. Next one, pull. Pull the door. For push also you can write down. Push the door or push the vehicle. Correct? Anything you can write down. Push the vehicle. Seventh one. Next one is make. Can you see? Yes. Is it visible? M-A-K-E. Make. Now this you can write down anything. Make a card of your own or make your own greeting card. Make your own greeting card. Eighth sentence which we have to complete is read. Now you complete the sentence. Read. Read the book, read the magazine, or you can tell many more things. Read the novel. Okay, you can write anything. So you can make one sentence from it. Read the book. And ninth one, last, eat. Eat fruits or eat vegetables. You can write anything. Eat food. You can add anything further, okay, to complete the sentence. In this way we have completed our exercise question answers of lesson number 22, a team of workers. Okay, now we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is Two Merchants of Seri. Now there are two merchants of Seri. Merchants means what? People, those who sell goods. जे सामान विकतात त्यांना मर्चंट्स म्हणतात. ओके, अँड दे डू मर्चंट्स ऑल्सो गो फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर बाय waterways, seaways. They go and sell in another countries. Things which they have, they sell in another countries. About two merchants, there are two people, two men, and this lesson is totally dependent on this story is of two merchants. How do they sell metals? Okay, they sell brass and tin. Two metals, two types of metals they sell. Brass is what? Brass means पितळ, पितळाचे भांडे. And tin means what? Silvery metal are there. Silvery metal, silver color चे जे metals असतात ते tin असतात. So what they do? They sell those metal vessels. Anything made of brass and made of tin. Many things which they have with them of two metals, brass and tin. They sell those things in the market, and also they go from one street to another. Okay, eka gallitun. If two merchants are there, then one merchant will decide, I will go in this street, and second merchant will go in this street. What they will do? They will not come in each other's street. एकमेकाच्या गल्लीमध्ये ते जाणार नाही. एकदा एकाने ह्या गल्लीत विकलं तर दुसरा त्या गल्लीत जाणार नाही. ओके, लाईक दॅट दे हॅव कोऑर्डिनेशन and they are selling some goods that we are going to study in tomorrow's lesson. Okay, I will explain you story, I will explain you lesson in detail tomorrow. Thank you.